I'm in the dust. Oh, there's a Ferrari. Today we're gonna be going out in the C8 Corvette. We have not taken this car out in quite a while, and obviously gonna do a little bit of POV action with the GoPro, so let's get right into it. Now, first up, we are gonna have to move the C5 Corvette. And if you guys have not seen the previous video that I just uploaded, where we installed our carbon fiber steering wheel right here, go check it out, because this thing is freaking awesome, and it looks great. And now it's time for the loud one. Put her in weather mode a little bit just to quiet it down. Now we're taking the C8 out today for two reasons. One, the battery really needs to be charged on this thing because it's just been kind of sitting and it's getting cold. Don't really want the battery to die, so we obviously need to drive it and get the battery back charged up because this thing has not been on any long drives in like 3 weeks. And then for two, I really want to make a video and kind of miss driving this thing, so haven't had a lot of free time, but we got free time right now. All right, guys, let's get a little bit of a weather mode sound check. Manual shifting, obviously. Looks pretty open. Car's not fully warmed up, but I don't hear nothing. All right, let's go over into my mode. Oh, that's still weather mode. My mode, there we go. Much better. You know, the last time that I really drove this car, it overheated on me at Fuel Fest. So hopefully we don't run into that issue today. I did burp the system. To our knowledge and what we kind of looked at, we think that there was just air trapped in the cooling system from a long time ago whenever a service was done on the vehicle. So I guess this is kind of like a road test after burping the system to see if it overheats. So I'm gonna be watching that coolant gauge. I really don't feel like being stranded on the side of the road in my bright blue C8 Corvette today. Ah, there's the check engine light. Check engine light just popped up too. Ooh, look at the little popo over there. Hello, sir. Hola. Ooh, that would sound good. About to be merging on the interstate. Of course, we're gonna put the thing in Z mode. Definitely gonna merge on the interstate how you should merge on the interstate. Holy 18 wheelers. Oh yeah, it's good to be back. It's good to be back in her. Check this out, guys. While we're driving on the interstate, I have my little code scanner right here. We're about to get rid of that check engine light. I've done this way too many times. Pretty much almost every time I drive this car. Plug it in, wait a few seconds, beep, beep. Come on, come on, come on. And gone. Just like that. No more check engine light. I really wouldn't mind having a check engine light on the car from the catalyst mid pipes if the remote start still worked with the check engine light. But unfortunately, you can't remote start the vehicle if you have a check engine light. So I just clear it every time because I want my remote start to work. That's kind of a feature that I like. You know, I see a lot of y'all commenting about why I drive around in Z mode or in manual mode almost strictly the entire time that I'm driving this car. And I just kind of want to show you guys what happens if you're not in Z mode or manual mode. So in my mode, or really anything, you see down there it says V8, well, it just went into 4-cylinder mode. This car is now a 4-cylinder. It deactivates half the cylinders, conserves gas mileage or whatever, and then the second you release your foot off the gas to like go brake or just kind of cruise, it goes back into V8 mode. You start putting your foot back on the gas, just lightly, and after a couple of seconds, it's gonna be like, okay, and then go back into 4-cylinder mode. I can't see how it's good for the car to continuously switch back from 4-cylinder to V8 mode to 4-cylinder to V8 mode over and over the course of like however many thousand miles you drive the car a year. That just does not seem good to me. So if you're in manual mode, it won't switch into 4-cylinder mode, or if you're in Z mode or track. So track, manual, and Z mode. But if you're in sport mode, my mode, weather mode, touring, any of those, it will just switch back and forth, and it's really, really annoying. Not my favorite feature. I wish I could deactivate that. There is always road debris everywhere whenever I drive this car, by the way. There's our culprit. Thank you, sir, for destroying people's bumpers with your busted tire on the side of the road. If you guys remember, about a year and a half ago, whenever I pretty much first bought this car, I was driving down the interstate, and an 18-wheeler's tire shot off of the wheel and came straight at my C8 and destroyed the front bumper. It was in the body shop for like 6 months. It was an absolutely awful experience. Oh, this car handles so good. He's not even trying. Oh, hello, Sheriff. There's another police. Oh, come on. Oh, we're gonna be in Z mode. I almost forgot about that. Yeah, let's go. Oh my God, it sounds so good. And we're already at the speed limit. Woo-hoo-hoo, that was spicy. Oh! Oh, dude, what is this red light? I can't even see it. Oh, okay, we're green. This car sounds so good, and I still want to make it louder. We have the factory catback still on this thing. Oh yeah, get it. Oh, Miatas. Gotta love them. I just popped right in that dude's ear, sorry. Dude, the police are out today. There's another one right there up on the left. Let's give him a little, oh, she just passed me pretty aggressively. Is he gonna pull out? Come on, get her. Come on, get her. No? You best bet if I would have done that, he'd be coming after me. She was going like 10 or 15 over the speed limit, and he didn't care. That's because she's not driving a bright blue Corvette. About to pull on up into Buc-ee's over here. See one of my friends, he has a Civic Si that he has apparently done a few things to this weekend. So we're gonna stop by and say hey to him. Good old bussies. There ain't no way I beat him here, huh? Put her back into my mode. And well, inside to grab me a snack and a drink. Looks like we got some cars pulling up. Well, look who it is. Hey, show me what you've done on your car. Give me the update. What'd you do to it?
You'll hop in and see the first thing. Okay.
I'll hop in and I'll see the first thing. Let's see if I don't see it immediately.
Turn the car on.
All right. Let's see here.
Okay, the first thing.
Kind of fancy.
Clutch is upgraded.
Okay, so the clutch is upgraded. Oh yeah, I can definitely. I can't feel any difference. It's hydraulic, so.
And if you pop the hood down there.
Did I pop it with these wires?
No, that's my wiring. Big bucks.
Oh, you got a cold air intake? So wait, so you got a tune, a cold air intake, and a new clutch.
Yeah, waiting on my downpipe. And then we're putting a bigger turbo on it.
So the downpipe goes like right there?
Right.
No, that doesn't look that bad to change.
I'm DIYing it.
You're gonna DIY? Are you gonna help him?
No.
Okay, that makes sense. I wouldn't help him either. I honestly wouldn't help him either. I don't blame you. All right, well, we're gonna steal his car. Wait, how do we lock it? Hey, I'm about to burn up your brand new clutch.
Please don't. It's not even broken in yet.
Oh, it's about to be broken in. Let me tell you. Ooh, it kind of sounds good. I'm driving a Civic Si! Ooh, check it out, guys. All right, sir, I have a little gift for you.
Oh, buddy.
Show everyone what you got for Christmas. Ooh.
Hey.
Ooh. Hey, let me see it.
It's on now.
Hey. All right, well, I guess we're gonna be going to Barber's Motorsports. They're having some kind of track day thing. Barber's Motorsports Park. All right, we had to get a little wristband right there at the front, but now we're golden. How's it going?
Thank you.
Oh, there's another C8 right there. Is that red mist metallic? Oh, so beautiful. They got all the nice cars out here today. Holy Porsches. Oh, there's a Ferrari. Hey man, I saw a Ferrari. Hey, do you think they'd be mad if I just started doing donuts on their skid pad?
You drive a C8, so probably not.
There's a ball going on there, right?
So are they doing autocross or is this actually like track racing? That looks like track.
Actual track racing.
Ooh. They asked me if I was here for the autocross. They're like, are you here for the autocross? I'm like, nah, I don't know how to drive.
I'm a Mustang owner. I don't know how to drive either.
We're doing a vlog now?
Yeah, we're doing a vlog now.
Okay.
It turned from a POV video into a vlog. The ZL1. Oh my gosh. Did you feel how sticky the ground is? Is that a Ferrari? Oh my god, it sounds so good.
About overlap.
Looks like there's a crash up there.
And it's that EK hatch.
There's a hatch. How did he crash? So cool. Dude, that looks mean. Woo! And the Porsche?
Porsche experience, what do you expect?
This is the Porsche experience. Oh yeah, hey, where are you going, sir? You need to leave.
You need to leave.
Remote start. Oh my gosh. So aggressive. What is that? Is that a Shelby? Is that a Shelby? Is that a Shelby? Is that a Shelby? It is a Shelby. Ooh. But yeah, guys, after looking at some of the cool cars around there and watching people run on the track for a little bit, we decided to leave because it'll be sunset soon. And the C8, as you guys know, has blue DRLs that you cannot turn off at night. So technically my car is illegal to drive after sunset, which means I gotta get home. There's no way to keep it out because you can't have the DRLs on whenever you have your headlights on. So nighttime driving in this car is just not really possible. Woo! Left them in the dust.
You didn't let it have a chance to get beside you. You knew you were gonna get better.
Hey, it sounded good though, didn't it? It sounded good whenever it was flying past you at Mach Jesus. Yeah.
Just wait till tonight. We're gapping that C5.
You're not even gonna race the C5. The C5 would gap your Mustang, let me just tell you.
It won't. No, it won't.
Hey, keep it pushing.
No, you
keep it pushing.
You keep it pushing.
You keep it pushing. Bye. Mustang owners, dude. Ridiculous.